Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to check deleted messages on official WhatsApp. So first of all, you have to open your WhatsApp application. Now you can see this contact has deleted a message. I want to check this message. So first of all, you have to open your settings. After that, you can see many options here. You have to click on notification settings. Now you can see a couple of options here. You have to click on notification history, click on it, and then now you can see the same messages appearing here. In this way you can read any deleted messages on WhatsApp. Make sure to open this option, use notification history. In this way you can save your notification histories and then see all of your deleted messages on WhatsApp. This will not work for voice or images. This is just for the text messages. I hope you guys understand the video. Please follow for more videos and see you guys in the next video. Make sure to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video.